Hey y'all, I'm back, and today I want to share this quick and easy hack to get rid of your hiccups fast. This method has been tested and proven to be true. Let's get into it. Once you feel your hiccups coming, all you have to do is breathe in and out as fast as you can, like this. Because you're breathing in and out while the hiccups is forming, it makes it go away. Usually on the first try, the hiccups are gone. But if you feel a second hiccup coming, breathe in and out again, and bye-bye hiccups. Hope this helps. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more. Take care.